Hi boys and girls, I'm Miss Havens, and today we're going to practice another new skill, and the skill is try different sounds for letters or chunks in unfamiliar words. This is a 1R skill and it can be pretty tricky. And today we're going to talk about the sound of C. When we first start learning to read, we learn that C can make two sounds. It can either sound like a K or it can sound like an S. Sometimes it sounds like a K, like in black. The CK says K. Or in clown. CL is a blend. The C sounds like a K. Clown. Sometimes it can make the sound of S, like in place. If there's an E after the C, usually it makes the sound of S. Or like in city. If there's an I after a C, sometimes it also sounds like an S. And then we learned that C can also make the sound of ch, like in chip. And then we learned that sometimes when we have a CH together, it can make the sound of K, like in ache. Now today we're going to look at words with CI making the sound of sh, like in ship. Here are some of the letters with a CI, and you will notice that they are going to make the sound of sh. CIAL is going to say show. CIAN says shun. And CIOUS says shus. I have some words and we're just going to listen for the ending sound and then we'll categorize them. The first word is delicious. Do you hear the last syllable? Shus. C-I-O-U-S. Delicious. The next word is special. Shul is the last syllable, and it is C-I-A-L, special. So I'll put it here. Next, I have the word musician, shun, C-I-A-N. Good. Musician. My next word is ferocious, shus. C-I-O-U-S. Next word is voracious. Voracious. Yes, C-I-O-U-S. Good. How about mathematician? Yeah, C-I-A-N. Shun. Vicious. Vicious. Shus. Again, C-I-O-U-S. Commercial, show, C-I-A-L. Artificial, show, C-I-A-L. Official, show, C-I-A-L. Social, C-I-A-L is the last syllable, good. Magician, shin, C-I-A-N. Electrician, again, C-I-A-N. Physician, C-I-A-N. Beautician, C-I-A-N again, and I ran out of room, so I'm just going to stick it in here like so. And how about precious, shus. C-I-O-U-S. So again, the C-I is making the sound of S-H. Shh. You can stop the video here, practice reading your words, write them, look at the syllables. Practice writing them by saying the syllables. Before we go, I just want to go through and read the words one more time, starting with C-I-A-L. Special, commercial, artificial, official, social, musician, mathematician, magician, electrician, beautician, physician, delicious, ferocious, voracious, vicious, and precious. Good. I'm going to give you a clue, and I want to see if you can guess what word means the same thing that I am giving you the clue for. Which word would name a person who plays lots of music? Music. Yes, musician. And you see the word music in musician, but the C is making the sound of SH, musician. What word names something that would help you become a better reader? You could describe yourself as this type of reader if you read a lot and you really love reading. Yes, voracious. Voracious reading means that you like to read a lot. Voracious. Anything you do a lot. If you do it a lot, you do it voraciously. Good. What word names something? Oh, I bet some of us are watching lots of TV these days. And sometimes the TV show takes a break and they have to have a, yes, commercial. Very good. Okay, boys and girls, you can practice the words, practice the meanings. If you don't know what the words mean, maybe you can look them up in the dictionary or ask mom or dad or grandma or somebody else in the house. And remember, 1R readers are expected to try different sounds for letters or chunks in unfamiliar words. Happy reading. Bye-bye.